All right. So the question I get from time to time, and I just got again, is whether or not you can be prosecuted for driving under the influence of a drug. And more specifically, and I get this question a lot from clients and potential clients, is whether or not they can be prosecuted for being under the influence of cannabis or marijuana. And how can a prosecutor make that stick when, as compared to driving under the influence of alcohol cases, there's a blood alcohol limit of 0.08. There really isn't one with a drug-related DUI. So how does the prosecutor substantiate their case in court on that type of charge? Well, it really depends on a few different things. Number one, if you're arrested and you're suspected of driving under the influence of a drug, you've got to provide a blood sample to the officer. So that'll be analyzed to see what, if any, drugs were in your system. The other one is your physical presentation in the officer's presence when you were stopped and then arrested. Were you exhibiting the physical signs and symptoms associated with being under the influence of a drug? And for each drug, the signs and symptoms that are hallmarks of being under the influence of that particular drug are different for each type of drug. For marijuana, what the officer is going to look for are red and watery eyes, sort of a lethargic look overall to you, perhaps a green coating to your tongue, thick and slow speech, and overall just a slow motor function and an inability to respond to questions cogently and coherently in a timely manner. There may also be the implementation of what are known as field sobriety tests. They do that in DUI alcohol cases as well, in which the person is taken out of the car, maybe put on the sidewalk and asked to stand on one foot, estimate the passage of time with their eyes closed, or recite the alphabet either backwards or beginning with some letter in the middle of the alphabet like H or J or K or something like that. Your performance on those field sobriety tests can be indicators to the officer that you are under the influence of a drug, even though he doesn't suspect you're under the influence of alcohol and has the tool of measuring a blood alcohol level or measuring a drug alcohol level like he would be able to measure a blood alcohol level in a alcohol-related DUI case.